Hey girl, guess what? I'm back with another try-on haul. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the founder of The Boutique by Ursula. If you don't know, I have an online boutique catering to the women. Now, I know I'm doing this a little bit backwards because technically you should get the try-on haul before I launch the products. However, these products have been on my website for a while now. This was my Shamrock Chic birthday collection, which was launched on March 7th. No, it wasn't March 17th. That's my birthday. But I launched it like the Friday before. Child, I don't remember the date. We still have quite a few pieces that are left in that Shamrock Chic collection. And I'm just here to show you today, if you have not had a chance to shop the Shamrock Chic collection, you can shop it at shoptheboutique.com. I don't want to keep the intro too long. To sum it all up, all of our pieces are for the everyday woman. That is the mother, the wife, if you enjoy going to church, if you enjoy going to brunch, if you enjoy girls' night, date night. And I think y'all get the drift. We have outfits, statement pieces. So before we get all the way into this try-on haul, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let's get to it. First up, we have this really cute, for luck's sake, basic crop tee. Y'all, she fits so good. It's a loose fitted crop tee, fold up sleeves, and just your basic black tee. Everyone needs a basic black tee in your wardrobe. Take into consideration that if you don't like crop shirts, or if you feel like you can't wear a crop t-shirt, this is what I do. I will wear a crop t-shirt with a pair of high-waisted pants. And here we have a pair of high-waisted trousers. These are our sea green wide leg trousers. Let me tell you about the wide leg trousers. They are high-waisted. They have this button right here. Okay, and it's black. Y'all already know. If you have been watching me for a while, you know I wear my body shaper no matter what. So anyway, elastic in the back. We have belt loops, so you can wear it with a belt. And they run a tad bit small. So when you are ordering the sea green wide leg trousers, make sure you size up. I am wearing an extra large because my usual size is a large. They do contain stretch. All pieces that you get from The Boutique by Ursula contains stretch. They all contain some form of spandex, whether it's 2%, 3%, 5%, 10. Every piece you get from The Boutique will contain spandex. My main sizes are size small to extra large. Sometimes I don't have the extra large, it's small, medium, large. I don't really engage too much into the plus sizes. It's hard for me to push those plus sizes. All these right here on this rack that I'm showing you, small to extra large. Let me go back to the top. The top come in sizes small, medium, large, and I'm wearing a large. We also have this crop tee in Kelly Green. Same thing, basic tee, just Kelly Green, the exact same as the black. I'm wearing a size large, cropped. I just kept on the sea green pants. That is the For Luck's Sake crop top in black and Kelly Green. Sizes small, medium, large. I'm wearing a large. Next up, we have the Lucky Girl jumpsuit. Kelly Green. She is super cute, perfect for this summer season. Now let me tell you all about her. As you can see, she's tube style. Elastic around here, around the back, and it stays up, y'all. You know how sometimes these elastic things just keep dropping? It stays up. Drawstring here. This is a functioning drawstring, so when you pull it, can't pull it too hard, but when you pull it, it will cinch the waist. Cargo style pockets. These are functioning pockets. We have elastic around the bottom. As you can see, the elastic around the bottom is kind of loose. It's not just real fitted to the ankle, but y'all, she's full of stretch. Like I just told you, every piece contains stretch. Super cute and comfortable. She comes in sizes small, medium, large, and I am wearing a large. Up next is our Sham Rockin' Maxi dress. She is super maxi, y'all. I'm not the tallest. I'm only 5'3", and check it out. She is all the way down. Now, when I wear a maxi dress, this is how I want my maxi dress to fit. Bodycon style. Now, I know y'all probably thinking, my goodness, another green? Like, what is up with all this green? I told you this was my birthday collection, the Shamrock Chic birthday collection. My birthday is March 17th, and it's St. Patrick's Day. Kelly green is the color for St. Patrick's Day. So what I try to do is I try to mix it, match it, because it's a personalized collection. I want to give you that Kelly green, but not just Kelly green. So I have the Kelly green and white, Kelly green and black, and you will see the other one in just a minute. So let's get back to the Sham Rockin' Maxi dress. She has this, if I can get up close, can you see the material of it? I think they call it popcorn material. Scoop neck, short cap sleeves. Here we have the green, and it's kind of off-center. That's the way it's supposed to be. This is the back. This one comes in sizes small to extra large. I am wearing a large. It fits true to size. It contains stretch, as I said, and I'm wearing large. All right, y'all, this next piece is one of my favorites. Now, I know it's my birthday collection and I love everything about all pieces, but this is my absolute favorite. This is the no pinching denim dress top. Check her out. She may be crooked, y'all, because it was some work getting her on, but check her out. And I have paired her with the Maycaw Shenanigans leopard leggings. Both pieces can be found on shopdeboutique.com. Let me get a little closer. Most of the styles from the birthday collection have all sizes available, with the exception of a few. This denim dress top is one of them. It comes in small, medium, large. I am wearing a large. However, size large, they're gone. The large and extra larges are the first to go most of the time. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the leopard leggings. These are high-waisted. They come in one size, fits most, and I will say up to an extra large. I wear a large. I love the way they fit. You still have room. They stretch really nice, and they feel so good on the body. Like I said, one size fits most. So if you are an extra large, and I'm saying a true extra large, you can get them. Size large, on down, medium, small. Definitely will fit you. The no pinching denim dress top. Let me tell you about it. It is tube style. It has the, I don't know what this is, but it's supposed to stick to your body so it doesn't fall. Zip up the side, and it has one of those little like bra clasps on the side. Like I said, it's a little crooked. My daughter had to help me get it on, so it really needs to be twisted just a little bit more. But anyway, she is a dress, but I call her a dress top because I couldn't wear her as a dress. It would have to be a top. Now, you can wear her however you like. And this is why I say she pairs well with the leopard leggings. Do you see the back? You see how here? Now, that may be your vibe. It's not mine, but like I said, I labeled her a denim dress top to let you know she can be worn as a dress, or you can wear her as a top. It's your prerogative. Are you following at shop_the_boutique on Instagram? If you're not, you need to follow. If you are already following, then you saw this look here. This is our Pressure Luck blazer vest. And she is a beauty, super cute. I just have a plain bra on underneath. You can wear whatever you want. That Kelly green color is back. This shade of Kelly green, how she is popping, super cute. She comes in sizes small to extra large. I am wearing a large, one button here. And look, she has a split in the back. You see she's sleeveless, and she does contain stretch. These are non-functioning pockets. When I say non-functioning, that means they just here, it's a flap here to make it look like it's a pocket, but it's really not a pocket there. It's really nothing else I can say about her. I mean, she pairs well with a pair of leggings, as you see here. You can pair her with a pair of jeans, denim shorts. You could layer her on top of what's coming up next. Our You Can't Pinch This unitard jumpsuit. So she's very versatile. We actually still have all sizes available in this one at shoptheboutique.com. All right, y'all, we have just a few more pieces. And before I continue on, have you subscribed to the email yet? If you haven't, all you do is simply go to shoptheboutique.com, enter your email address when the pop-up screen comes on, and click sign up. That will give you VIP access to whatever we have going on. You will be the first to know. And while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So anyway, let's get into the Struck Gold Mesh Bodycon Maxi Dress. Super cute. She is, chef's kiss. Like the icing on the cake. This is the perfect date night dress or vacation swimsuit cover-up, because guess what? Like I said, she is mesh. And mesh means you can see through her. Can you see? I just have my black bra on with my black body shaper on underneath. And even though she's long sleeve, she see through like it's mesh. Look, it's mesh material. She hugs the body, all of your curves. And she is maxi style. Now, like I said, the colors, Kelly green, but I love leopard. Like this is a neutral, this is a color for me. I have to have the leopard. The animal print has to be in the wardrobe. I have to have it. So that's why leopard was a part of this collection, because I am a leopard lover. So she comes in sizes small, medium, large, and this is a large. And it's really nothing else that I need to say about her. Next up, we have the You Can't Pinch This unitard jumpsuit. I just told you about this jumpsuit. It is an all-in-one unitard jumpsuit. Now, I don't have her zipped all the way up the back, y'all. Mock neck. You see she's skinny fit. And y'all, she's not cotton material. She's like that. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but that kind of shiny material. Is it polyester? I don't know, but she does contain stretch. Just keep that in mind. I don't have to say that every time because every piece contains some form of spandex. Definitely can be dressed up or down. Like she is the perfect asset to your wardrobe because she's very versatile. You can definitely layer her. You could throw a denim jacket on top of her. You can throw the Press Your Luck blazer vest on top. Remember, I just told you that. You can even do this. This is our Pinch Me kimono. She layers perfect on top. Now, this Pinch Me kimono is an oversized kimono. This is a size small. I only have 3 left. Size small, medium, large. Now, let me tell you about something. The size small can fit up to a size large, even an extra large. The size medium can fit up to an XL or even a 2X. Our large can fit up to a size 3X. Oversized. Like I said, this is a small. Let me step back so you can really see. Look at this. This is a small. She is so perfect. Look. This is our Pinch Me kimono, and she is layered on top of the You Can't Pinch This unitard jumpsuit. Just in case you're wondering, the pinch, let me just really quickly, because St. Patrick's Day is the Kelly green color, and if you're familiar with it, if you don't have on green, people usually pinch you. So everything that's not green is a pinch something. We have the no pinching denim dress top. We have the Pinch Me kimono, and we have the You Can't Pinch This unitard jumpsuit. Now look, you might want to go ahead and grab her because she's perfect for the fall, perfect for the spring, summer. Kimonos don't have a season. They're always in season. If you want to make a statement, look the part. Pinch Me kimono, honey. She is a fashion statement. without you having to say a word. Just walk. Don't she make a statement? All right, last up. I told y'all, we have pieces for every occasion, wherever you may want to go. This is our Sunny Days biker short set in acid wash black. She's perfect for everywhere, whether inside or out. You can dress her up or down. If you follow me, you're already familiar with the Sunny Days biker short sets. But if you don't follow me, you need to follow shop_the boutique and take a look. Isn't she cute? Just when I say simplicity, these Sunny Days biker short sets come in sizes small up to extra large. I am wearing a large. Our tops have the fold up cap sleeves, slits on the side. They're kind of high. They cover the bottom. To some people, that's very important. Our biker shorts are the microfiber material. They are buttery soft to the body. You already know, stretch. Grab you one if you haven't already. If you have made it to this portion of the video, I want to thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Sign up for our emails, VIP access, shoptheboutique.com. Make sure you shop the Shamrock Chic collection, which is actually on sale at this point. All pieces are 25% off right now. Go ahead, shop to your finger cramp. I know that's cheesy, that's corny, but I will see each of you, same place, same channel. Adios.